It's okay. My day? Awesome. Good. How are you? Just gotta take a nice breath. Are you doing okay? Thanks. That's good. Thanks, Emily. I'm trying to be strong. Thank you. Why do you want my box? I don't know you and I don't trust you. It's not the app, it's the freaks that keep harassing her. Exactly, Nathan. Say it louder. What happened on Instagram? No clue. Yeah. Oh, Gabi. Hey, what's up? It's so creepy what they do to you. I literally can't grasp it.
Good?
Am I good? Yeah.
Sure.
What?
Just checking.
I'm fine. No, I'm not pregnant. Mm-mm. Why do you want a box? Why do you want a box? I don't know you. Hey, Jill. How are you? Hey, Tino. I know, Ashley. I know. Hey, stay in your lane. Nothing. I wanted to show what these people are doing. Disgusting stuff. Disgusting. Someone's got to do something. Yeah, that was bad. Yeah. Oh, you have no idea. You have no idea. What? That's not even worse. That's not even the worst part. The fact is the guy that made that video about Cameron, I don't know. Tina, you didn't see the video? Oh, yeah. Here, let me show you. Let me show you. Oh, wait, hold on. Not that.
They mad at you because you figured them out.
Gabi.
There's consequences to pay for their action.
I think we all remember this video.
The Vegas tradition for I stalked my husband.
James was flinching and learned, in that video we learned that what a child does on video is actually indicative of what's going on behind the scenes.
What? What's up? Is that?
So Gabi, explain why he's not addressing himself, he's addressing a part of his body. And we know that you and your partners have had relations in front of him. And now I've got to be extremely curious and start analyzing some video. What's going on to this little boy at home?
Four. Tim, no.
What is happening? That he is not referencing himself. He's saying suck, and he's referencing a part of his body. Has he been a part of these activities? Has he been a part of this? Because kids only act out what they've seen and what he knew where to reference on his body. He wanting you to do that to him? Oh, you have the fucking day you deserve. Gabi.
There's consequences to pay for
Not listen.
I think we all remember this video.
It's a Vegas tradition for us. Stalked my husband.
James was flinching and learned, in that video we learned that what a child does on video is actually indicative of what's going on behind the scenes.
What?
Shark.
So Gabi,
It's shark.
he's not addressing.
It's shark.
He's addressing a part of his.
He has a okay. In that video, I was on a live. Listen to me. Let me just talk for a second, please. I was on a live stream. Okay? I had my supporters. Because we were talking about Zach before any of that. Because he wanted to go to the park and he kept saying Chloe and Zach. Anyway. Then we were on the couch, okay? And then, I was doing the little sticker activity. And so he had a sticker. It was the shark sticker. And he was like, shark. And he goes, num, 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 num. Trying to like a shark. Like, arr. And so it was like he was sitting right here. But they're making it seem like they're saying that he said suck. And that it was my nipple. And that, and then they're accusing me of sexually assaulting him or doing it in front of him. My son's autistic. My son is autistic. He's... Somebody's got to do something. Please. Please, just do something for me. Please. Somebody's got to step in. Please. Please help me. I don't deserve this. No, I don't. No, I don't. I don't deserve it. I'm human. I make mistakes.